glad that we arrived here. Korea Success Tour is something that everyone must experience.
Welcome to Korea. Welcome to Korea.
Looking for the love you never wanna take them all. 눈을 떠 아직은 없으니 so tell me what
I feel so great to be here in Korea wearing this hanbok. It feels so great because I love Korean drama.
Life is a stable rush for me. Like as what? So tell me what
We're to visit Iksan Center in Korea, and one day I'm gonna have my own Imperial Master office like Jeongsu Park, and this is my dream trip.
We know we hate to love, looking for the love we never wanna lose that love. 새파란 자전거 타고 그냥 달리고 달리는 거야. 바퀴벌레도 시끄러운 음악도 내버려두라지 뭐. 파란색 자전거에 초록색 안장도 상관없겠지 뭐. 또다시 영화처럼 소란해질 때쯤에 또 우리 정답을 알게 될 테니 just go. So tell me what. Tell me what. Feel like it's dying.
Just excited about
So I need you to call me. 나 혼자 살아온 언젠가. We're not together but we're still on the same way. But I need you to call me again. 나 혼자 살아온 언젠가. We're not together but we're still on the same way. But I need you to call me again. 나 혼자 살아온 언젠가. We're not together, but we're still on.
I was very impressed. The way it was created, it was designed. I can feel the love of our CEO, Hangil Park. Being able to declare my goals and my dreams with everyone and getting one step closer to achieving all of my dreams within Atomy. I really wish that my members and partners can come join me in Atomy's Korea Success Tour next time because it was a valuable experience and I had so much fun learning and seeing so many successful people.
Atomy Canada!